In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Airbnb. If you're dealing with a booking question, an account concern, or something urgent during a trip, this walkthrough will show you the fastest official way to reach support and get real help. First, go to the Airbnb Help Center. You can open it in any web browser or navigate there from the Airbnb app. This is the central place where Airbnb lists help topics and provides direct access to support. Starting here ensures you're following the official process and that your request gets routed correctly. Next, log into your account. Being signed in matters because it links your support request to your reservations, your messages, and your verified details. Make sure you're using the correct account you booked with, especially if you have more than one. And as a reminder, never share your full password or payment details with anyone in a chat. Once you're signed in, click Help or Get Help. Depending on your device, this may appear at the top of the page, in a menu, or as a button on the Help Center. This step moves you from general articles into the guided support flow, which is designed to understand your situation and offer the right contact options. Now, select your issue. Pick the topic that best matches what you need, such as a current trip, an upcoming reservation, your account, or payments. Don't worry if it's not a perfect match. Choosing the closest option helps Airbnb show you the most relevant tools and, importantly, unlocks the contact button for that topic. After that, tap Contact Us. This button usually appears after you choose a category and a subtopic. If you see suggested articles first, you can skim them, but continue to contact us when you're ready to speak with support. Then choose Chat or Message. Chat is typically real-time and great for urgent matters, while Message lets you send details and get a response without staying online. In either case, include clear information, like your reservation code and a concise summary of what happened. Attach screenshots if the option is available, and keep everything within the Airbnb platform for security. You'll get live support, often available 24/7, especially for time-sensitive issues. Keep notifications on so you don't miss replies, and check your Airbnb inbox for follow-ups or case updates. That's it. Go to the Airbnb Help Center, log in, click Help or Get Help, select your issue, tap Contact Us, and choose Chat or Message. Follow these steps, and you'll be connected to the right support team quickly and securely.